And we've got breaking news coming in this minute. We're going to show you a visual that proves that repeat offenders Indigo are at it again. This particular video that Republic TV has accessed is about a 67-second clip that shows how passengers were rudely treated and misbehaved with on board a flight. Now what we're playing out is a scuffle that broke out inside a flight where, if you listen carefully, the Indigo crew inside the flight can be heard telling the passengers and threatening them that CISF personnel will drag them out of the aircraft unless they're willing to comply and leave the particular flight. This is a flight that was cancelled after the passengers boarded. We understand the flight was cancelled, which is when passengers asked questions and demanded answers from the Indigo crew on board the plane. Now the crew, we understand, responded rather rudely, and this is what the passengers have told us here at Republic TV. The crew was very rude with them and also threatened that they will rope in CISF personnel to personally drag out each of these passengers on board that plane. Keep in mind that Indigo has a notorious reputation of misbehaving, of harassing passengers, and now this particular video clip has come to light. Republic TV also speaking to some of these passengers who've gone on to say that yes, the Indigo crew was very rude with them and none of their queries, none of their questions on why the flight was cancelled was answered by the crew.
CISF से धमकी देने वाले ऐसे रहते हैं क्या कभी? सबको होटल मिलता है। नहीं यहाँ बोले। मैम शाली मैम आगे बोलिए।
मैम sir, I'm providing hotel. In spite of that, let me tell you something. In spite of that, your crew जो members जो हैं आपके, they are harassing us कि CISF से मरवाऊंगा मैं?
रिकॉर्डिंग है।
I'm from आज तक channel और आप अगर CISF आया, this will go live in tomorrow's आज तक channel. I'll tell you.
I am sorry.
नहीं कितने बार सॉरी बोलेंगे?
अब क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
अगर कोई ऐसा मिसयूज वर्ड निकल गया, I'm sorry.
आप लोग
CISF से मरवाने का क्या बात है?
ऐसे लोगों को आपने रखा हुआ है।
नहीं आप अभी नियम बता रही थी, धमकी दे रही थी। आप बुलाइए CISF को, आप बुलाइए CISF को। नहीं भाई
What is he talking?
CISF को बुलाइए। नहीं मानता है।
Alright, so that is the video that we just played out for you, where you see the passengers asking questions of the crew. The passengers have alleged that the crew was very, very rude to them. Some of the personnel present on board that flight also threatening that they will call in security who will drag out these passengers from that plane. Let's go across to Shantashri for more details on this. Shantashri, yet another video that embarrasses Indigo, that puts them on the mat, because once again it's found that they've misbehaved and harassed passengers. Give us details of what passengers have said about what happened on board that flight. All right, we'll get back to Shantashri in just a bit for more details. This is a video that Republic TV has exclusively accessed. It's about 67 seconds shot by one of the passengers who was on board that flight. Now, we've got some details, and this is what passengers have shared with us. They claim that there was complete confusion from Indigo's side, because not just were their flights cancelled, we understand that 3 of their flights were cancelled. They had to keep boarding and deboarding, which is when, completely fed up, they demanded answers from the Indigo crew, and what they got in return was curt, rude answers from the personnel on board. Shantashri back with us on the phone lines. Shantashri, it's over to you. Give us a sense of what the passengers have alleged. We have accessed this particular video. It's clear that the Indigo crew once again have been caught on tape, on camera, misbehaving with passengers.
Exactly, and this bears testimony to the particular recommendation put forward by the Standing Committee on Transport that Indigo particularly mentioned in that particular report, that how it had been putting forward their misbehavior, how they had been behaving so badly with the
Okay, we seem to have lost that connection with Shantashri. We'll get back to her for details in just a bit. But as she was also pointing out, the parliamentary panel report just a few days back, and Republic TV had put out those details for our viewers, just a few days back, the parliamentary panel report had made some scathing observations on Indigo and how they ill-treat and misbehave with passengers, treating them almost as a commodity, as a herd. And now you have yet another video, another proof really of how Indigo misbehaves and ill-treats their passengers. The question is, will we see some sort of an action? We're also awaiting Indigo's statement in this particular regard, but this is a video that Republic TV has accessed, shot by one of the passengers on board that flight. Now, from what we know at this point, this particular flight was cancelled after passengers had boarded the plane, which is why, for obvious reasons, frustrated passengers were demanding answers from the Indigo crew on board. You see at one point, some of the crew also attempting to stop this particular passenger from recording this entire conversation. But from what passengers on board that particular flight have told us, the Indigo crew was rude. Many of them also accused and threatened them that the CISF personnel will be pulled in and they will be personally dragged out from that particular plane. So yet another video that's come to light, and we'll have to wait and watch to see if Indigo will release a statement, because keep in mind, this isn't the first time these kind of accusations have been made against the airline. We'll continue